Hey guys, what's up? So it's just me, Mr. Ron. Well, this is where it all began. Last year on August 17th, 2020, I was standing here at this location and I started my ketogenic lifestyle. Now today is April 2nd and it's Good Friday, so happy Good Friday if you're a Catholic and you celebrate the event. And weighed myself this morning and I'm in the 240s for the first time since the 1970s. So I just a little bit of video blog that I'm doing for my video this morning, and it is very cold this morning. It's not too gusty. It's not that bad. But we're going to do the 5-mile walk. This is part of the 50-mile challenge. We did a 4-mile walk couple of days ago on the 31st of March, and we were a little bit tired and sore the next day, and it was raw and clammy and wet, and we decided to stay home and rest. And then last night I got a call from the parish and they wanted me to come down and volunteer to do some photography for them, and I'm going to do it maybe one more photography, and I'm not doing all the masses because it's just too much. I mean, it's volunteer, I don't get paid, but it's going good. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a left over there to the main street, Central Street area, walk down to Union, and we're going to walk up Union, go down to Biscaloid and Litchfield Street, actually. And so we're going to go down to Central Street over here, take a left, go straight up across over to Union, straight down over to Litchfield Street, the Eagles Hall, and down Central Street, and then back to here to the Minister Brook area. Now we didn't take the car. We walked down here this morning with the car instead of taking the car because I wanted to see how cold it is. But I have my other jacket. I got the hoodie. I got my gloves. I got my cell phone. I got a sweatshirt on. I got a shirt underneath that, and I got my winter jacket on in the car. Just I'm gonna make sure I'm not gonna be too cold today. But once I get grooving and moving, I'll be fine. But just letting you know, it's going good. And I'll talk to you later, and I'll put this together for maybe today's video, and some of my thoughts about different things I had. But anyways, thank you, and talk to you later. Remember, if you're new to my community, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ron's Weight Loss Journey video vlogs. Have a good day, guys. Well, hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm Ron, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me other members know when I have a latest video. Well, it is now 1:30 in the afternoon on a gorgeous Friday cold morning in the city of Leominster, and I just completed a 6-mile walk. It took me 3.5 hours to complete the walk, and a few stops along the way, and I feel pretty good. I'm not tired, I'm not sore. So I'm going to go home now and just rest for the day. I'm supposed to go to the parish tonight and help out, but I'm going to pass on that because they got the services all weekend. And so I did like 12,000 steps today, and it's insane. But this is all part of the getting out there and move to the challenge this month. Now remember, if you're not healthy enough to do the 50-mile challenge for the month there, remember, slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to take a chance of having a setback. But this is Mr. Ron. I'm having a good day. I'm going to put this all together for you guys for later tonight, and have a great day. And so be watching for my next video. You guys are amazing. We got this.